Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to see clouds dissipate as we move in the afternoon hours, and in general, we'll see partly cloudy skies for today. Going to see a weak area low pressure continue to move well south and east of our region today, and we'll see high pressure building in for the afternoon hours, setting the stage for a fairly calm night overall. Chance of some fog in the region early tomorrow morning, but overall tranquil conditions once again to wrap up the work week. Looking at the current surface analysis, we have an weak area low pressure off the southeast coast or the coast of North Carolina. Another weak disturbance north of us, kind of sandwiched in between. Have high pressure built in behind that for Friday. Our current conditions as of 8:15 this morning: a broken deck at 16,000, broken deck at 20,000. Winds out of the west-southwest at 4 knots, 41 degrees is our temperature, and relative humidity at 89%. Taking a quick look at the satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have some cloud cover wrapping around that area of low pressure, as well as some cirrus off to the west. That cirrus cloud has been building in the region for this afternoon, but overall, going to see, as I mentioned, that partly cloudy condition for today. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a mild 53 degrees, a low tonight around freezing at 32. We'll see fairly light winds overall today, more out of the westerly direction at 7 to 12 knots this afternoon, then turning northwesterly, and then finally variable less than 5 knots overnight. We'll see a southeasterly wind at 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. And with that light wind and the southeasterly flow expected for tomorrow morning, can't rule out some patchy fog across the area tomorrow morning. As far as our 24-hour terminal forecast, we should see VFR conditions the next 24 hours besides the fog that's possible tomorrow morning. Otherwise, just going to see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions with mainly cloud cover in the upper levels, possibly some cloud cover around 15 to 16,000 feet for this afternoon. But overall, by tomorrow morning, expecting overcast deck around 25,000 feet with some filtered sunshine. And as I mentioned, green chart across the board for today, so no chance of precipitation or lightning. Our tides are slightly above normal. And for Friday and Saturday, we'll see a slight chance of some patchy fog in the morning on Friday, then partly to mostly cloudy, slightly breezy, mild. We'll see a slight chance of rain shower late as well. Have a high of 55 degrees. Looks like there's precipitation chances around 20% before 0Z or 7 p.m. or 1900 local on Friday evening. Friday night, we'll see overcast skies, rain likely early, then clearing skies overnight. We'll see that rainfall about 100%, as we do have a cold front that's going to be moving through the region. And then once that cold front does pass through, we should see the skies clearing fairly rapidly overnight. As I mentioned, we'll have that low of 41 degrees. We'll see ceilings possibly below 500 feet with that rainfall in here on Friday night. Saturday, for the start of the weekend, we'll see partly cloudy skies in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast and slightly breezy. A chance of a shower by mid-afternoon. We'll see a slight chance of a few wet snowflakes possible late with those rain showers, possibly mixing in with a few wet snowflakes late in the day on Saturday. We'll see a high of 48 degrees, looking like those precipitation chances on Saturday around 35 to 40%. And as I mentioned, mainly in the afternoon hours. Not going to see any accumulation with that snowfall, just with the cooler temperatures being affected in the region, as well as the upper level trough moving overhead. Can't rule out a wet snowflake or two mixed in. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.